Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make pepper kpomo. Kpomo is also known as cow skin. Today's recipe I'll be preparing it with smoked cow skin. I have the cow skin here. I've thoroughly washed them and I'll be cutting them into smaller sizes. Then transfer into my pot on the fire. I'll be cooking this cow skin till soft and tender. That's the first step. Add some onion and some water to cook. Some salt to taste. A little bit of curry powder and a little bit of thyme. Coriander and some crushed oregano leaves. Seasoning cube. I will give it a gentle stir, then cover to cook till soft and tender. Pepper kpomo is one of the delicacies served in Nigerian parties. It is served with either roasted plantain, roasted yam, or some palm wine. Let's check the cow skin cooking. Check for doneness to know if it is soft yet. It's not well cooked yet. We still need to cook for a couple of minutes more. Then I'll be adding a little more water to it. While the kpomo cooks, I'll be prepping the other ingredients. I'll be blending my onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. It's well cooked now, soft and tender. We go to the next step. I'll add the onion paste and in with the Scotch bonnet pepper. If you notice, there was not much water left in the pot after cooking the kpomo because you don't need much water to make this recipe. Just the onion paste and the little water left after boiling the cow skin. I'll be giving it a gentle stir and adding some vegetable oil. I'll then add seasoning cube. This cow skin recipe is called pepper kpomo because it's actually hot. It has a lot of pepper in it. It's a very spicy dish. I will give it a good stir to mix well and to combine well. At this point, there is no water. You don't need to add any more water. You don't need to add any liquid at all. All you need to do is just to stand by and keep stirring at intervals. You stir and cover to cook for a few minutes. Then you go back to stir to avoid it burning or sticking to your pot. Just keep stirring. This is a very spicy and tasty recipe and yet so simple to make. Just with your onion paste, your Scotch bonnet pepper and your vegetable oil, you'll be able to cook your well spiced and soft and tender cow skin. You will make it into a super delicious pepper kpomo. Now we'll be adding enough chopped onions into the pot. Then give it a good stir to mix and combine well. As it cooks, we stir and turn the heat very low. We are cooking this on a very low heat. Let the chopped onions cook gently and soften to release more sweetness into the cow skin. This peppered kpomo is going to be so delicious, sumptuous, yet hot and spicy. If you are a lover of spicy food, I think you need to try this pepper kpomo. This pepper kpomo is a hit. And at this point, our pepper kpomo is almost ready. We'll just give it a good stir more, then turn off the heat and cover to cool a bit before serving. I'm saying a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I love you all. Will you be trying this pepper kpomo? If this is your first time and you like my recipes, please give me a like and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing food recipes. I have easy and simple food recipes on this channel. Our pepper kpomo is ready. Get your glass of juice ready, or better still, your glass of palm wine. Let's enjoy with family and friends. Drop your video request in the comment section if you have one, and I will gladly attend to it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.